Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study Jay Skullz. Begin by familiarizing yourself with the fundamental structure of a jay's skull. Pay close attention to the distinct features of the beak and the overall shape of the cranium. It's also helpful to understand how these features might vary slightly between different types of jays. This foundational knowledge is crucial for accurate identification and deeper analysis. Delving deeper, carefully examine the premaxilla and mandible, as these bone structures offer distinct characteristics for identification. Take note of the orbit's size and shape, which is the bony socket protecting the eye. Additionally, observe whether a supraorbital ridge is present or absent, as this can be a key distinguishing feature among various jay species. For a comprehensive study, compare various skull measurements, including the precise length and width of the beak. Leverage reliable reference guides and extensive online databases to aid in accurate species identification. Always meticulously document your observations with detailed sketches and thorough written notes. This systematic approach ensures a robust and verifiable collection of data for your research. To truly advance your understanding, consider employing a microscope to observe the intricate, fine anatomical details that are otherwise invisible. Exploring three-dimensional models can also provide a comprehensive and interactive view of the entire skull structure. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This will enhance your study environment and overall learning experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.